Liquid charcoal fertilizer can be made by soaking the charcoal in water and then mixing it with organic materials such as mold, local microorganisms, from fruits or vegetables, rice washing water, and enzymes to add nutrients and microorganisms. This process utilizes the charcoal as an absorbent for nutrients like phosphorus and potassium, which then dissolve in the liquid for plant uptake. Benefits of liquid charcoal fertilizer provides nutrients. Charcoal, especially biochar, contains nutrients like phosphorus, P, and potassium, K, which are essential for protein formation in plants. Improves soil structure. The porous charcoal particles can improve soil structure, increasing aeration and water retention. Contains microorganisms. By adding mold, this fertilizer can enrich the soil with microorganisms that are beneficial for plant growth. Liquid organic fertilizer, POC, made from vegetables is a plant nutrient solution made from vegetable waste such as green vegetable scraps, onion peels, and other vegetable scraps through a fermentation process. The process typically involves shredding the vegetable waste, mixing it with air, often rice washing water, sugar, as a microbial energy source, and a microbial starter such as EM4, then fermenting it for several weeks until it forms a paste. Materials needed: vegetable waste, green vegetable scraps, onion peels, banana peels, etc. Water. Rice washing water is better. Sugar, molasses, or brown sugar. Probiotics such as EM4. How to make it: shred the vegetable waste. Cut the vegetable waste into smaller pieces to speed up the fermentation process. Mix the ingredients. Place the chopped vegetable waste in a container, then add the rice washing water until the vegetables are submerged. Add sugar and EM4. Add sugar, about half a plastic cup, and EM4 solution, about 3 bottle caps, then stir thoroughly. Fermentation. Cover the container and let the fermentation process run for at least 2 weeks, or until it smells like fermented cassava. Stir the mixture every 1 to 2 days to ensure everything is evenly mixed. Ready to use. After 2 weeks, the POC is ready to use. The mixture can be filtered, and the fermented liquid can be sprayed on leaves or sprinkled onto the soil. Application method: watering on the soil. Pour the POC solution directly around the base of the plant's roots. This method helps the roots absorb nutrients and can also help break down chemical fertilizer residues in the soil. Spraying on the leaves. Spray the POC solution evenly, especially on the undersides of the leaves. This method is more quickly absorbed by the plant through the leaf stomata. Mixing with the planting medium. Before planting, POC can be mixed directly into the planting medium to provide initial nutrients for the plant. Ideal time and conditions: morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m. WIB, when the dew begins to dry. Afternoon, 4 o'clock to 6 p.m. WIB, when the air temperature begins to cool. Avoid during hot sun and rain. If it rains within an hour of application, there's no need to repeat the application. Additional tips: stir first. Always stir the liquid organic fertilizer thoroughly before use. Dosage. Follow the recommended dosage on the product packaging or brochure for maximum results. Do not spray fruit and flowers. Avoid direct application to the fruit and flowers. Apply only to the leaves and stems. You can make liquid fertilizer from papaya leaves by mixing crushed papaya leaves with other ingredients such as water, brown sugar or molasses, and decomposing microorganisms, such as EM4, then fermenting it. Although compost is usually made from a mixture of various organic materials, processing papaya leaves separately to make liquid fertilizer is also effective. Steps for making liquid papaya leaf fertilizer: prepare ingredients. Use approximately 250 to 500 grams of fresh papaya leaves for approximately 5 liters of liquid fertilizer. You will also need sufficient water, brown sugar or molasses as an energy source for the microorganisms, and EM4 solution or other natural fermentation agent. Leaf process. Chop or pound the papaya leaves until smooth and mash them. Mix the ingredients. Combine the mashed papaya leaves with water, brown sugar, or molasses, and EM4 solution in a container. Make sure all ingredients are thoroughly mixed. Fermentation. Cover the container and let it sit in a shaded place for 1 to 2 weeks or more. Open the lid daily to release the fermentation gas to prevent the bottle from breaking. Application. Once fermentation is complete, you can apply this liquid fertilizer by mixing it with water, ratio 1 to 5 or 1 to 10, and then watering it onto the plants. Differences with compost liquid papaya leaf fertilizer. Made from papaya leaves, it undergoes a rapid fermentation process to produce a nutritious liquid that can be directly used for watering or spraying plants. Compost. This is a process of decomposing organic matter over a longer period of time to produce a solid fertilizer that is added to the soil. If your compost uses papaya leaves, it is usually mixed with other ingredients such as straw and animal manure. Liquid organic fertilizer, POC, is a nutritious solution produced by fermenting or mixing organic materials such as vegetable and fruit scraps, animal manure, or other kitchen waste. This fertilizer is in liquid form and its nutrients are readily available, making it more quickly absorbed by plants than solid fertilizers. Main characteristics of POC. Raw materials. Made from natural, nutrient-rich materials such as plant waste, vegetables and fruit, and animal or human waste. Processing process. Through a fermentation process that involves kneading and is usually aided by beneficial bacteria, such as EM4 and sugar. Advantages. Easy application. Easy to apply by watering or spraying. Fast absorption. Nutrients are absorbed more quickly by plants because they are in a liquid form. Improves soil fertility. Helps loosen the soil structure for greater fertility. The importance of a thorough fermentation process. Unripe organic fertilizer, POC, can contain pathogens and be toxic to plants. Therefore, ensure that the POC has undergone a proper fermentation process and has been tested for safety before use. The durability of liquid organic fertilizer, POC, for plants depends on how it is stored and prepared. Properly packaged POC can last up to 6 months to years, while certain types of POC such as Jadam microbial solution, JMS, must be used within the first 72 hours because the microorganisms have a low viability after that. Its quality can decrease over time due to evaporation, compound interactions, and the reduction of microorganisms, so storing it in a cool, dark, and closed place is crucial to maintain its durability and effectiveness. Advantages of organic fertilizer, POC, over solid fertilizers. Quickly absorbed by plants. The liquid form allows microorganisms and nutrients to be absorbed more quickly by plants. Addresses nutrient deficiencies. POC can quickly address nutrient deficiencies in plants. Environmentally friendly. The use of POC has no side effects and does not damage soil structure in the long term.